Today we're going to talk a little bit about prepositions. We have prepositions of time, and this you need to learn a bit like a rhyme. You say on a day, at a time, in a period. On, at, in. On a day, at a time, in a period. So on a day like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Or on a date, you'll say on the 11th of June, on the 6th of November. Or special days, you'd say on Christmas Day or on my birthday. When you say at a time, like meal times, at breakfast, at lunch, at dinner, or specific times, at 4 p.m., at 7 a.m. And an irregular one is at night. So that's at a time. Now, in a period, periods can be months and seasons. So months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So you say in January, in February. Also for seasons, you'll say in summer, in winter, in autumn, or in spring. And in years, say in 1985, in 2025. And we usually break it down so it's the first two and then the second two, usually, not always. So 1985, 2025. And then times of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And the irregular one we said is at night. So just learn those on a day, at a time, in a period. And then you have prepositions of place, which will be in or inside, on or on top of, between, next to, above, near, in front of, behind, under or below, out or outside, beside or over. Beside and next to are very similar. Well, in fact, they are the same. So you say in or inside, on top of, between, next to, above, near, in front of, behind, under or below, out or outside, beside, over. Right, let's practice a bit. Remember, on a day, at a time, in a period. So I'm meeting the manager, 3 p.m. Wednesday. I'm meeting the manager in 3 p.m. on Wednesday? No. I'm meeting the manager at 3 p.m. on Wednesday? Sounds good. I'm meeting the manager at 3 p.m. in Wednesday? No, we said on a day. So it's got to be, I'm meeting the manager at 3 p.m. on Wednesday. Next one, the cushion, and that's a cushion, not a pillow, cushion. The cushion is on the sofa, under the sofa, or near the sofa. Now remember, the grammar's right in all of those, but it's just the location. Where is it? The cushion is on the sofa. Great. The toy car is on or near or outside the bed. Toy car is near the bed. Right, you do this. She always goes to gym in the evening. The pans are above the stove. Oh, two options there. In or at. My birthday is in December. So we'll see you next time. We're going to start working on the past simple. So we'll see you for some grammar.